Hi everybody, welcome back to my little kitchen, and today I'm gonna make these monster cookies, and they're really good. They're really good if you have allergies. You can change the peanut butter to sunflower seed butter or soy butter, and of course you still need the butter for the recipe as well. But I've already creamed in my bowl here. A stick of butter, a cup of sugar and a cup of brown sugar, and then 3 eggs. And so now I'm going to get in 1 1/4 cups of peanut butter. And here, of course, like I said, you can exchange that for a sunflower seed butter or soy butter, it says. And I will, of course, put the recipe below. And this recipe is just so easy. You can add whatever you want to add to it. You can use chunky peanut butter. But I've made these before. A friend gave me the recipe and they're delicious. I do think I'm going to use my blender to get that incorporated really well. Okay, now you want to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I'm sorry, it doesn't call for baking powder. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gonna mix that well. And then you're going to add 4 1/2 cups of the Quaker oats. So this cookie is gluten-free, or any kind of gluten-free oat, which I think most oats are gluten-free. And we're just going to stir that in. I pretty much have my oats incorporated, stirred in well, and now I'm going to add this. At this point you can add whatever you'd like to add, chocolate chips, raisins, nuts, but I'm going to add, I think it was 1.5 cups of, this time I'm going to do M&Ms. I've got miniature M&Ms. And a few regular size M&Ms, and then about 1 cup of raisins. And so I'm going to get all that mixed in really well. And I've kind of already mixed those in to my cup here. And I don't want to lose an M&M. Gonna be extra colorful and pretty. And when I'm done mixing all of these in, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 1 hour or 2. The recipe even says you can overnight in the refrigerator, but it does get really, really hard. Then you kind of have to let it sit out. But We're just gonna let it get firmed up a little bit and we'll be ready to bake some cookies. Okay, so my cookie dough has been in the refrigerator for about an hour, and I have preheated my oven to 350, and we're going to use a cookie scoop for this, and they're going to be giant cookies, monster cookies. And we're just going to scoop them out, and they will spread, and I do kind of like to pat them down a little bit, so they will spread out. I've never made them with the M&Ms. I've just used chocolate chips before and raisins. So you could do sunflower seeds. Just all kinds of options. Okay, and I'm gonna finish getting my cookie tray ready here, and we're going to put them in the oven for about 9 to 10 minutes. We'll be back to give them a try. Okay, so we've got the monster cookies out of the oven, and they're really delicious. Even your friends that aren't gluten-free are going to love them. And they are just so good, and when they cool down, they're so chewy and delicious. They're really good. I do like the M&Ms in them. It just makes them kind of colorful. So give them a try. I've baked 18. So far I've got this much batter left. So they really make a lot of cookies. So I hope you try it, because those are so good. They will make your tongue slap your brain out. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.